This boot's smacking me in the head like twice now. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Nathan, this is the Aiyach collective. Mejdi's here as well. We're actually going to be shooting the beautiful E28 that many of you may have seen. This car was probably, I don't know, it was my most like, it was my biggest shoot. It was the most successful shoot that I've ever had as well. It got the most recognition. Most notably, it did get shared by HRE wheels. And the last time that I shot this, they actually posted one of the sets on their official Instagram page. And
on their story, right? Or was it
their
on
story, their Instagram page, everything. So they loved it. This thing is freaking cool, by the way. It's so nice.
I haven't even seen it yet. I missed out.
Yeah, yeah, you missed out last time.
I slept in, I think.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
We're going to be heading out towards the sugarcane fields, and there is this really cool spot now. I don't know, the Google Maps thing is like, has been there for like 7 years. Basically, when you click on it, it's like 7 years ago. There's a road there that I would love to take this car and do some rollers on.
Oh, that would look beautiful.
So yeah, we'll find out soon in regards to that, but yeah. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this, and let me know what you think. There he is.
We found him.
The legend himself.
Morning, princess.
How are you? How nice is it?
Bro, it's beautiful. It's actually beautiful.
It's actually amazing, man. Ever since I shot it, every time like I'm on like marketplace or car sales, I just jump into like the old Beamers or like.
You never see this stuff.
No, you
ever.
Don't. You really don't.
Nathan, since when was your car in here?
Since when was your car in here?
Oh shit. Oh, that is beautiful.
There's this guy on Instagram, his name is Kazuki something, he's in Japan.
Is it a Reva?
Yeah, he's got the red one in his bag. Oh my god, bro. One day.
Yeah, one day.
How much would this go for?
Probably half a mil, I reckon.
I'm gonna go have a look at that Eleanor.
Oh, it's like proper.
It's got the signature and everything.
It's got the bottom.
Oh, the damn. Far out, man.
The thing I always wonder is if it's like a genuine GT500. Yeah.
I mean, surely.
I know there's like builds, like they send them to like a workshop and they get everything done, but if it is, that's nuts. Okay, we're just heading to our first location for these rollers. As you can see, James is behind us in the E28. Mejdi's looking beautiful in the driver's seat right now. So I'm really excited to do rollers with this because last time we didn't actually get the opportunity to. So this will actually be the last shoot for the week. Now at the end of the week, Mejdi and I are going to be heading to the F1. So yeah, left, yeah. Sorry, I'm playing navigation as I'm vlogging. But yeah, we are going to be heading to the Formula 1 Grand Prix in Melbourne. There's going to be a couple of vlogs at least from that. Let's get this shoot done and then get these photos edited, get everything uploaded to my Instagram page at the Aiyach Collective, and get this vlog uploaded as well so you guys can watch all the shenanigans, I guess, that are happening today. And yeah, this is a private road, by the way. So doing these rollers with James and the E28 there. Some of these are turning out really, really cool. I'll give you a bit of a perspective of the rollers that I'm doing right now in a moment, using trusty GoPro. That was fun. Yeah, so just finished doing rollers in this location, which was really good. I've been bitten by absolutely every bug you can ever imagine right now, as you can see right here. But yeah, so this location was actually amazing. I'm so happy that we were able to actually make it out here, that the roads were still roads, not dirt roads. And yeah, so just want to find one more location now. We'll just go for a cruise and just get something on the way back, and yeah, just so we can get a third post in. And yeah, so I'm really excited. This thing is so freaking beautiful. I just cannot get enough of it. Plus these wheels, honestly. How beautiful are the HREs? Actually amazing.
The HRE sponsor.
What do you give it out of 10, Majdi?
Bro, easy 10.
Easy 10.
The speed's actually, I'm not gonna say anything.
Let's go finish these rollers off and get them edited, yeah? Let's go. Third spot now.
Let's go.
Gonna head to Calypso Bay. Get the palm tree vibe, because this car really deserves
The best treatment.
the best treatment and the palm tree vibe. Whoa, okay. My car really doesn't deserve the best treatment.
I get paranoid in this car, man. It's too low.
Oh,
My car, I fanged it around a roundabout the other
Yeah.
day with my dad. And he like looked at me and he's like, if you had the M4, you would have lost control and died. And I'm like, I'm not stupid, come on. But I full like fanged it around the corner.
Oh,
like it was
God.
sliding. Like I was doing a skid. We're on our way to Rockley.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Majdi's getting an M4 soon, by the way, guys.
Hopefully in a month or two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So get ready for that, because I guess Collective's
If
gonna
the
have two
guy
cars.
replies to me,
If the
bro, he's left me on scene for like 3 days now.
Bro,
I think he's thinking about it, but
Yeah.
like, come on. And you know who you are.
you know who you are.
You know who you are.
There's a security guard at Calypso Bay that last time when I shot there, he kicked me out, saying,
Kicked you out.
yeah, he kicked me out saying that I shouldn't be shooting cars here because the residents are too scared of car thefts. Yet we had like $200,000 worth of cars there at the time that we were shooting, and I don't know the logic behind
Yeah,
that.
and
I was like,
you are too.
I was looking, yeah, I was looking at the guy like, are you serious, bro? Like, you know, we're not here to steal cars. We're literally in cars that, you know, in the least cocky way possible, are nicer than half the cars in this area anyway. So, yeah, that wasn't too fun. So hopefully that guy isn't there.
I mean, you got me with you now, so.
Yeah, plus
I'll
Majdi's
show-
my security guard.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry. Oh yeah, what a legend. Okay, so yeah, we just did some rollers on this strip here with the palm trees. You can check them out when they are uploaded on my Instagram page. But yeah, thank you so much, James, man, for your time. Absolute legend, bro.
Cheers.
Love the car, man. And please, HRE, give us another feature.
Yeah, make sure you
honestly,
follow him too on Instagram.
Yes, definitely. And honestly, this car deserves it. It deserves all the recognition in the world because it's honestly one of the best builds out there. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and be here for the next one. So thank you for your time, for watching, and see you later, guys.